Okay, so in this video, we're going to learn how to embed your uh, Scratch project to your Google site. So as you can see here, this is a Google site page. The name is my first project in Scratch. This is the title, the header, and in the body we have the embedded project or work from scratch with some title and some description here, and the footer. So when you click the green flag or this one here, it will play the project that you made in Scratch. So that's what we're going to do for this video. All right, so let's do that. So you go to the Scratch website and click sign in, type your username, password, sign in. Then once you are signed in, you go here and click my stuff, or you can just click this button. It's the same thing. So I'll click it. Then you will be able to see your works there. As you notice, none of these are published yet. It means I haven't shared any project. See here, shared project 0. If the project is shared, it means anyone can see it, and you can also post it in your Google site. So let's do that. So this is the project that I want to uh, make published. So I will click see inside, and then previously it was named as hello, but I think it's better to change it with this name, my first project in Scratch. So once you do that, you may want to play it again and see if it's really the one you want to turn in or you want to work for today. And then once everything is set, you can click share. Okay, name is there, and then over here you tell your users on how to play, and or what is this uh, project all about. So I'm just gonna write here, uh, click the green flag to play my very first project in Scratch. Okay, notes and credits, I will not do that for now because I did not copy this from anyone. Okay, so once it's done, we leave it for a while. Let's go to our Google site. So this is our Google Classroom. I will click Google Apps and then Sites. Then I'm going to choose here the website I made recently. Okay, this is the website that I just made recently. And if you will go to pages, you will see there's only one page for now. So we need to make a new page for our first project in Scratch. So to do that, you go to pages and then click the new button and then click it again, new page. So you name here, maybe you can write my first project in Scratch. Then click done. Now we have two pages. We're working with this page because it's color blue. All right, I will scroll down, and that's what it has for now, the header and the footer. In the body, we don't have anything yet. So I will go to insert, and then I will click embed. We will put here our work in Scratch. So we need the embed. But before that, we go back to your Scratch. Okay, and then this is what you need. Click copy link. Then you see here it says embed. This is the code that you need. So copy embed. You can close that. So once it's copied, you go back to your website now. Click embed, and then make sure you do embed code and paste the code here. In my computer, I'm doing Control V. I'm pasting the code. All right. Um, Make sure you start with this iframe here, including this symbol, and then also iframe at the end, and that symbol there. Click next. That's it. And then click insert, so your Scratch project will be shown on this side. And then you need to put some title and description for this page. So to do that, you can do click text box and then right here maybe my first project in Scratch. Then I will change it to a title so it looks nice. And then I need it to be on this side, so I will move my mouse on the line until I see this mouse pointer, this arrow, and then I can now drag it up over there. Okay. Now, aside from this title, I need to write something here to describe my work. So I will click text box again, and then I will write, "Hi everyone, this is my first project in Scratch. Um, I hope you like it." Okay. Then again, move mouse to the line. Then I will drag it up here. Ooh, okay. I will make sure that there's a blue line there. I will release it there, and there you go. So I have the header, I have the body with the embed from the Scratch. Maybe I can make this bigger. Okay, that would be better and taller so I can see everything. That's right. Okay, and then footer. That's it. That's all for now. And then I will click publish. And then okay, publish again. Okay, and then I will click here, view published site. So now this is my page. So from here I can click play and it will play there, right? Now when you turn in, look at the URL. So if the last few words here is the title of your page, then click, select it all, Control C, copy it, and go to your Google Classroom and turn it in as a link. Turn in the link there.